Hello friends, welcome to Travel Escape Vlogs. Today we are going to Malsej Ghat. Malsej Ghat is a beautiful mountain pass located at a distance of about 130 kilometers from Mumbai and 120 kilometers from Pune. On the way we came across this beautiful flower plantation and stopped here for some time before moving towards our destination. Malsej Ghat is a picturesque mountain pass and one of the favorite tourist destinations around Pune and Mumbai during the monsoons. As we started moving ahead towards our destination, it started raining heavily. We have reached at the spot now. With huge crowd visiting especially during the weekend, you can however expect a bit traffic. Visitors having a really good time and enjoying with their family and friends. So let's go and explore this beautiful place. This place is really worth visiting during the monsoons. Lot of food stalls are also available here for snacks. There are multiple viewpoints here, but due to the fog and rain the visibility is very low. This has definitely an amazing experience so far, with clouds floating by your side and the fresh breeze makes it so exciting. Driving back home through one of the most beautiful and scenic ghats I ever visited and the unforgettable memories. Enveloped by the Syadri mountains and the shades of greenery in the monsoons, this beautiful zigzag route is definitely a must-visit place. I hope you liked this vlog. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more such upcoming vlogs. Thank you for watching.